The HIV/AIDS epidemic has so far infected 36.7 million people globally. Here in India, 2.5 million children have been orphaned from HIV. The leading cause of child HIV/AIDS is parent-to-child transmission. Here at Faith Santhan, we support and care for children living with HIV/AIDS, offering them the love of a family and a home. Our Faith family is currently home to 33 boys, aged 3 to 17, in a 3-bedroom care home with access to only 3 toilets. As orphans, these children have been moved from family member to family member and can find forming attachments really difficult. This is why the security and stability that Faith offer is so important for the positive development of the children. Our current home is rented. It's very costly and uncertain. That's why we need your help. The government have gifted us this piece of land close to a local school for the construction of a spacious 50-bed and 30-toilet house. This house will provide our children with the essential facilities and security they need to fulfill their potential. We're appealing for financial donations, building materials and voluntary labour to help us turn this dream into a reality and provide the children with the start every child deserves. If you would like to help us in any way possible, please visit our website www.armsaroundthechild.org. Your support will make a difference. Thank you.